Hi guys, I'm so excited. In 3 days, on April 1st, I'm launching my new Contrarian Academy coaching program. This is for experienced real estate investors that want to dive in and buy their first commercial property. And it's going to be coached by me on a weekly calls, in-person mastermind, property evaluations by me, and much, much more. So swipe up to join the waiting list, and by doing that, you get early access to the application, as well as the first 30 members will get a free one-on-one call with me. So swipe up and see you guys there. Whoa, what do we got here? This looks interesting. My wife got a new exercise machine. This is very intimidating. Oh, I could definitely use these for biceps. I don't know about the rest of it. Looks like I'm gonna have to hire an instructor, but this is really cool. Yeah.
Get it, baby.
Oh yeah. This thing's no joke.